So as a customer looking for a home improvement contractor, once the work's all said and done, would you rather be satisfied or happy? But to me, the whole satisfied word has kind of a not a negative ring to it, but it doesn't go far enough. It's definitely an overused term, at least in our space. Working hard for customer satisfaction is a pretty common theme. What does that mean? It seems like more often than not, companies are really interested in making sure you pay, and they're going to wrangle you to pay. So they say, hey, we delivered the product, we installed it, now pay us. And if you're not really happy, but you don't really have a big complaint, then you're satisfied. At Joyland, I've taken a different approach, and I've kind of stepped away from that satisfied word and specifically used the word happy because that's genuinely what I mean. So our guarantee is pretty simple. It states that you don't pay us a cent until we're done and you're happy. Now I could put satisfied in there. It's not good enough for me that you're just satisfied with Joyland Roofing. It's possible to be satisfied but not really happy with the end result, and I don't want that. But you're actually happy with the results, happy with how the process went, and happy with the final product that Joyland installs. I'm not bashing people that put satisfied out there. It's a valid term, but I genuinely do want my customers to be happy with the end result. If you're not happy with the end results, then you are very welcome to contact us and get it resolved and not pay a cent until that happens. My goal is to have every customer at Joyland be happy with what we've done and the end results.